art, friends, we are going to draw the Earth and the Moon.
Yeah, because they're buddies and it's Earth Day. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our pencil and eraser first to draw the main shape of the Earth and the Moon, which is what shape?
Circle.
Yeah, and we're using our markers to color with and add the details. I really like that we're using our pencil first so that we can draw the shapes, but really to get them overlapping so that the moon is in front of the Earth.
Yeah, it makes it more 3D.
Yeah. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first use our pencil to draw 2 circles. And we're using our pencil so that we can get it just the way we want it before we use our marker. And you could use a template if you want, or trace around something. But we're gonna draw it freehand so we can practice drawing circles. And it's okay, you don't have to worry about making it look perfect. Oh, mine's a little bumpy. But then you can also go back over it a couple times and practice if you want. Yes, that's awesome. And a perfect size. I wish mine was a little bigger. Maybe here, wait a sec. Here we go. And we got it. Okay, a little bigger. And then if you have extra lines, you can switch to your eraser and erase any of the lines you don't want to keep. There, now mine's closer to the same size as yours. All right, now let's draw our moon. That's our Earth. We're going to draw the moon, and we're going to draw overlapping. So let's draw it coming into the, oh, this is too big for the moon. The moon needs to be smaller. I don't know the size, if they were right next to each other hugging, what they would look like. This is what we're gonna do, because actually it might be really small and we don't want to be too small. Okay, that's awesome. I love the size that you drew. So I'm gonna erase the bigger line, the extra line that I added. Now we can use our eraser and erase the Earth line that's inside of the moon. And if you want, you can keep using your pencil, but we're switching to our marker. Let's first trace around on top of the pencil for the moon. Yeah, all right. And then we're gonna trace around the pencil for the Earth. Perfect. Now, what are we missing?
Faces.
Yeah, funny faces. Let's draw, or cute faces. I'm gonna draw a really big smile for the moon. And I'm gonna draw my favorite smile. You could change this. You don't have to draw it the same as us, but I'm gonna add teeth on the top and bottom, and then also a tongue inside. And then you can also add another line for the other side of the mouth and then color in that top shape. That's my favorite mouth to draw on a cartoon. Yeah, turned out awesome. Okay, and then the eyes, let's draw circles and a matching circle over here. The moon is happy to be the Earth's friend, especially on Earth Day. Then we're gonna draw smaller circles inside for the highlight. And then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. We finished our moon. Now we need to add a funny face to the Earth. Let's draw another happy face. I'm gonna draw it here. And let's draw this one down and then up. And we could also add teeth on the bottom and also on the top. No, I'm gonna, I changed it. Just teeth on the bottom and tongue here. And then I'm gonna color in the top shape. No teeth on the top.
No teeth.
And that's really the fun part about art. You can add any details you want. You can change it. It doesn't have to look like ours. You could add eyelashes, or maybe, oh, the eyes could be really happy and they're closed and look like upside down U's.
You could also draw arms or feet.
Oh yeah, you could. The Earth with arms and feet would be awesome. Okay, now let's draw eyes for the Earth. I'm gonna draw a big eye here and Oh, we could draw a winky eye over on this side. Oh, maybe the moon is hugging the earth so much that the earth is closing his eye or her eye.
I like that.
Yes. And then we'll draw a highlight on this one to that small circle and then color in the big circle. And we did it. We finished, except it just looks like 2 circles. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, we're gonna use blue and green for the earth and also 2 grays, a light gray and a dark gray to color craters on the moon. In this part we'll fast forward, but you can pause the video at the end if you want to match our same coloring.
You could also use yellow for the stars.
Oh yeah, that would be really cool. Oh, and one last thing, let's switch to our eraser one more time and erase any of the pencil guidelines you can still see. Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing our 2 cute little buddies, the earth and the moon.
Yeah, they look so cute with their pink cheeks and stars.
Yeah, I love the little extra things we added, and I even added teeth on the top. I used my paint marker. But you guys can change your drawings any way you want.
Yeah, you could also add more planets and the sun.
Oh yeah, that would really complete your drawing.
I also really like that we use our pencil first.
Yeah, especially so that we could draw the earth and the moon overlapping to make it more 3D.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
Bye.